I'm going to be doing my POPSUGAR January 2018 unboxing, and I'm excited. I had this box and I haven't been able to open it, so let's dig right in. Looks like some kind of scarf. So I'll show you just like how it comes first of all, so you can see it. It says happiness delivered, POPSUGAR. And let's see. So this looks like a scarf, which is pretty. Let's see. So actually this is the December must-have. I'm opening it late. Whoops. So this is a Twilight Scarf by TILOscarves.com, and the suggested retail value is actually $98 on that. So you get actually some really nice things in these in the POPSUGAR boxes, and because they're doing it in bulk, I think you only pay your monthly fee or whatever. I'm not sure how much it costs. This was a birthday present from my husband, but I'm pretty sure they're really good values every month. La Delicious Extraordinary Whipped Sugar Scrub, Sugar Kiss. That looks like it might be this. Yes, this is the sugar scrub. Nice luxurious packaging, I like that. So far so good. Chloe and Isabel POPSUGAR Long Pendant Necklace, which I haven't come to yet. Here it is. Hopefully this won't sound too annoying. So let's see. It's nice packaging. Oh, it's really pretty. I don't know if you can really pick up, it's like a diamond pavé. I might have to wear that today. Switch it up. All right, there's a sugar cookie chocolate bar. Oh God, I forgot. I'm trying to eat sugar-free right now, so that's not going to be the first thing that I try. I'll save that for a day when I'm indulging. It says, indulge in a gluten-free treat that gives back. This 41% milk chocolate bar includes buttery toffee and gluten-free sugar cookie crumbles. And it is fair trade and non-GMO. That's really important to me, actually. I've been really becoming more aware of buying things that are fair trade and non-GMO because it's healthier and better for the workers if it's a fair trade. I think you get better quality through the fair trade products as well, because they're not skimping and saving to try to get you a product. And let's see, that's the sugar cookie chocolate bar is from Ophelia.com. Let me see, this can't be it, it's too heavy. Oh, here it is. Wild Ophelia Sugar Cookie Chocolate Bar. Fair trade, and it has the certified, fair trade certified ingredients, non-GMO and gluten-free. Okay. So that's going to be yummy, something to look forward to when I've knocked off some of the holiday weight. Not that I really gained a lot of weight, actually. Pretty much back to like my pre-Christmas weight. But I've gained 20 pounds and I've only lost 10. I've also started working out and doing weights, so I don't know how much room to give myself, but I feel like I still have some weight to lose. Just a little bit like in my sides, sort of, I guess, area. So hopefully I'll get there soon. Then I'm going to still eat healthy, but I'll give myself a little bit of cheat days, and I'll save my wild sugar cookie chocolate bar for that. This looks like a candle. Ooh la la. So this is from Pier 1 Imports. It's oak-aged whiskey-scented candle. A perfume. It's pretty. And it actually smells good. My husband might like that too. That's awesome. Alright, then this is BaubleBar. Spice and, BaubleBar Sugar and Spice Coaster Set. So it's a set of 4 coasters, and it's packaged. So they're sparkly. Let me take this part off. well, it's taped shut, but I think you can tell how it sparkles. So those are cool. I like those. These gift boxes are awesome. And then, what is this? Add a personal touch to any gift with these cute for you tags on cotton paper. I don't see this. Oh, that's interesting. So I don't know if my box is missing that, but I don't see those in mine. Anyway, I still love this box. It has a lot of cute stuff. They've got to be somehow here. I'm not seeing them. That's interesting. I've never had that happen before. Well, it's not here that I can see, so. Okay, so be it. Anyway, this is just a little photo of everything that came in the box, if you can make any of that out. And I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. I'm going to be doing some other videos here coming up. One of my things I want to try to do a little more of is videos. I enjoy sharing some of the stuff that I find, whether it's organizing or products or boxes. I love my subscriptions, and so I'm really excited to be getting Pop Sugar every month now. So I'll definitely be doing a Pop Sugar every month. And it looks like I might be doing 2 in January because this was the December box. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a happy new year.